The Port of Los Angeles is one of the world's biggest and busiest. A marina is situated in its heart, which means our boat has to motor through the port and past the containers before reaching the open sea. Our boat is a 60-foot ocean racer, a veteran of around-the-world ocean races. And once out of the harbour, our sails raised, we make a steady 8 knots into the wind towards Catalina Island. Catalina Island is situated 20 miles off the coast of Los Angeles. A barren and rocky outcrop. It's a popular getaway with sailors and hikers on the weekend. Once off its western tip, we turn about, raise our spinnaker, and head for home. The return journey takes only half the time, as with the wind behind us, we make a brisk 12 knots. Back in port, we glide past a quietening harbour as sunset descends across the port of Los Angeles.